This is an IWC Portugieser 5445-01 hand wound. I can't show the back right now, but the movement is really pretty impressive, which I can do in another video. It's a in-house hand wound movement that's based off the original Portuguese IWC of this model from 1939, I believe. I just kind of love the Art Deco look. I'm getting some sort of reflection from being outside and all that. I think the birds like it. Shit. Okay. But anyway, 44 millimeters, which is, again, this was a big watch in the 30s. So this isn't just a blown up dress watch, but it's relatively thin. And frankly, on my wrist, I think it fits perfectly, to be honest with you. Really clean dial, no date, sub-second, sweeping slowly. No loom, it's just applied hour markers and indices, and a little bit of a dome to the crystal. Watch is steel. I'll probably get some kind of updated strap of some sort. This is, I believe, this would be the strap that it came with. And you can get IWC Portuguese or pilot watches, some of them, of the pilots, but certainly most of the models, if you buy pre-owned, for really, really good deals. And I've bought new IWC before with discount and what have you. I've always loved the brand, and I would highly recommend one of these, man. Out.